Alright, so let's unbox this Seagate Backup Plus Slim. So before we unbox this guys, pakita ko sa inyo ang mga features sa box kani. Sa tubang, you have the brand itself, Seagate. It says Backup Plus Slim. So maning yung models ang external drive kani. So it says portable storage backup made easy. In short, it is an external storage, no, that you can store many files that you have to store with. So it has 1 terabyte storage, dako siya. No worries. So at the side naman makita mo ariyo, it's compatible with Windows 7 or higher, Mac OS 10.11 or higher, USB 3.0 backwards compatible with USB 2.0 and all that. So makita mo let's see. So ano yun? Compatibility may vary depending on user's hardware configuration and operating system. So bali depende na sa mga system nga na o sa user gid mismo. So amo na. Sa likod ya, it says thin, light, and easy backup for Windows and Mac. But silingon na hapos gid siya dalon kag hapot din ni mabudlay siya gamiton sini. Therefore ano siya, it's easy to no, to handle with, no? So mo ni ang mga hindi ko sure different languages ngani. Pero hindi ko na sigurado basta yung translation ngani. Wala ko kabalo. Kasi sa side naman, connected or connect with computers, so on and so forth. So only computers lang. So maning yung box, no. So nami siya nga box, no. Pwede mo siya matindog muna. Again, Seagate Backup Plus Slim 1 terabyte portable storage backup made easy. Alright, so let's begin our unboxing. May tab siya. Hindi nyo siya makita pero may siya nga tape nga pitikwaon ang external hard drive, no. So nga na makwanta na ya ibuksan ta na yung makita ko na. Hindi ta pagpariuson kay Mateo itong gisi itong ginggisi itong ano ba ang box ang PS4 may warranty pa to gani ay nako. Pero sige lang, move on lang tanay. Mag-unbox ka mo guys, hindi nyo pag dali-dalion. Binila sa mga viewers na gadali ka. Tapos ginagisi nyo man ng box sang ano nya sang mga products na purchase nyo. Pero sabi laptop, computer, PS4 o mo ni mo may warranty pati yung cellphone may warranty man, but ilagaan niyo ng box niyo sa alagaan yung box niyo sa yung mga gadgets na purchase niyo para in case kung may for example kung naguba ang yung mga laptop, may siya replacement kung may defecto muna manigay kuha na sa warranty sakop So guys, let's unbox this. Dahil lang na ikuhaan ko lang gunting dahil lang kuhaan lang na yung box hindi, make sure nga halungan mo tato ng box kay para in case kung hindi, kung may defecto siya, pwede natin siya ma-replace yan. So let's unveil the external hard drive, which is the Seagate Backup Plus Slim. Ari na. Buksan tanay na. Sa maning box ya. Putan tanay sa side. So, pagbukas mo, you're greeted with the Creative Cloud, Adobe Creative Cloud photography plan. You also have hindi ko sure kung ni for Australia only. Wag ko na kabalo kung ano ni. We have Milo create no registration pang registration siya. Kagaya quick start guide. Then the star of the show is the external hard drive itself. So you have open this one. External hard drive, which is the Seagate backup plus slim. And amo ning tsura niya. So kita ko sa inyo. Yan. On top of that, may gid siya nga cable. Yun. So, importante set aside, and that is it of our unboxing, no? Muna siya. Well guys, I hope you enjoy of this unboxing video of the Seagate Backup Slim Plus. It has a 1 terabyte storage that you can store many files as much as you want, but it's only limited in 1 terabyte. And it is compatible with Windows, Mac, and Windows, Mac, and so on. Just to recap, what's inside the box? You have the box itself, the quick start guide, the Milo create your, I think for Australia, you have your Adobe Creative Cloud photography plan. You have the external hard drive itself, and this is your cable that you can connect through laptop, computer, or what. It's only laptop and computer that you can connect it with. Alright, if you like this video, make sure to thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now, if you're subscribed to my channel, please hit the notification bell button to get notified for my latest updates. And don't forget, follow all of my social media platforms. As always, I'll see you next time with more latest videos on YouTube. Thanks for watching, and mabuhay!